Welcome to Zoho Analytics. In this video, we'll explore the powerful map layering feature in Geo Map charts. Map layering lets you overlay multiple data sets on a single map, giving you a complete, interactive view of complex scenarios. A single map layer offers only limited insights, but with multiple layers, you can visualize different dimensions together, for example, tracking emergency incidents, casualties, and available resources side by side. This makes map layering an essential tool for deeper analysis and smarter decision-making. Let's dive in and see how it works. Here's our source data table. It contains details such as the location of the incident, the type of emergency, response time, available resources, and the severity level. These details allow us to create distinct map layers to visualize incidents, assess resources deployed, and casualties in each city. Let's add 3 layers of geodata. From the data table, click the Create icon and choose Chart View. In the Designer page, drag and drop a geodata type column into the X-axis. Let's drop the State column. The Enable Layers toggle button appears. Click the toggle to enable map layering, allowing us to add multiple columns to create a multi-layer geochart. Our first layer visualizes the resources deployed in each state. Drag the resource deployed column into the color shelf and click Generate Graph. To change the chart type, click Layer Controls and select your preferred chart from the chart chooser. You will now see the state-wise resources deployed, represented with different colors based on the legend on the right side. Click any legend to modify its color or filter specific legends. Hover over any state to view details like the total resources deployed. The second layer displays incident types across all states. Drag and drop the state column into the X-axis multiple layer and the incident type column into color. This layer shows a pie chart representing incident types across each state. The third layer maps casualties in each city. Drag the latitude column into the X-axis multiple layer. The longitude column is automatically added to the Y-axis. Drag casualties to color and city to text. Click Generate Graph and change the chart type to Map a Scatter. This layer displays the number of casualties in different cities. All 3 layers now appear on the map, each accompanied by a legend on the right, allowing us to compare multiple data dimensions within the same geographic area. Customization enhances the clarity and effectiveness of your map. You can change the chart type for each layer to represent your data better. Click the Layer Controls icon and choose your desired chart type. You can also hide or lock layers to focus on specific data. To customize individual layers, click Settings and then Map. You can modify map styles. Choose a map theme or upload a custom background. Use the Invert Color toggle to reverse colors and adjust the washout option using the slider. Map controls. Check Display Specific Country Map to define the map projection, choose a country and state, and control map labels through the Map Layers drop-down. Each layer's X-axis column appears in the Settings menu. Customize the settings individually for each layer. The available options may vary depending on the selected map type. For the first layer state column, customization options include Marker. Adjust fill opacity using the slider 0 to 100%. Data label. Enable show corresponding Y-axis value as data label to display values. Adjust font type and size and opacity. And manage overlap. Legend. Control legend position. Enable or disable the title. Modify its font and size, select the palette type and color palette. Format. Modify dropped columns, such as resource deployed, by setting the desired units type, choosing the number format thousands or decimals, and applying changes. Drill. Enable deeper analysis with the drill option. Click any point on the chart and visualize the underlying data points as a new chart. For the latitude column in the third layer, options like marker type are different, while other settings remain similar to the state column. Map layering in Zoho Analytics provides a powerful way to analyze complex geographic data and gain deeper insights. Start using map layering today and elevate your decision-making with rich, multi-dimensional visualizations. For more information, explore our help documentation. Thank you for watching. For further inquiries, email us at support@zohoanalytics.com or call one of our toll-free numbers.